Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance kick-up using an easy method. We will focus on safely getting into a handstand from the ground. It is crucial to emphasize proper hand placement and body alignment from the start. Remember to begin with a strong core and controlled movement, ensuring a solid foundation for your kick-up. This approach makes learning much more accessible and reduces the risk of injury. For the initial setup, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor, ensuring your fingers are spread wide for maximum stability. Next, keep one leg bent with its foot flat on the ground, while extending your other leg straight back behind you. The key is to push off your bent leg with purpose, simultaneously swinging your extended leg upward to generate the necessary momentum for your kick-up. Now, let's focus on the kick-up motion itself. Use a controlled, deliberate swing of your extended leg to initiate the upward kick. As you move, it is vital to keep your gaze fixed firmly between your hands throughout the entire movement. This helps with orientation and balance. Remember to engage your core muscles tightly. This will provide the stability and control needed to hold your body in position. After successfully kicking up, aim to land softly by bending your knees to absorb the impact smoothly. To build confidence and ensure safety, practice against a wall initially. This provides excellent support. Repeat the entire motion several times, perhaps 10 to 15 repetitions per session, to build essential muscle memory and strengthen the necessary muscles. Consistent practice is key to mastering this move.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.